Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be sure you see all of our cool vehicles just like this one here today as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this with a full description of everything that's on this, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival Jeep Wrangler 4-door Rubicon, fully loaded. And we sent this out to Rocky Ridge and had an amazing K2 package put on this, guys. Guys, this has things. It has more bells and whistles than I'm gonna have time to go over. So don't forget to log onto our website at sherrychrysler.com for a full description and a bunch of still pictures of this Jeep, so you make sure you don't miss any of the options that are on it. Starting on the front, you're gonna notice we did upgrade the front bumper on that. That's a full steel bumper, extremely nice. It does have the red tow hooks on it, and it also has the factory fog lamps located right here on each side. A really nice 30-inch LED light bar located right in there. Definitely makes it nice at nighttime. If you're doing any off-roading, you can definitely see where you're going. And also from the factory, we did upgrade this Jeep with the factory front LED lights. So it does have LED lighting throughout, which is an extremely nice thing to have and a very nice option from the factory. I'm glad they came out with it. Also, we did opt from the factory to have these painted right here, these fenders. That is an option from the factory. And you can't, how could you miss these completely blacked out, absolutely gorgeous 20-inch Rocky Ridge rims. And we went ahead and wrapped this rim in Mickey Thompson. This is a Baja Boss, man. This is 35-inch Baja Boss. Extremely nice. Plenty of tread depth, as you can see there. But there again, not noisy while driving down the road, which is a really nice feature to have. Heavy-duty step-up bars located on the driver and passenger side. Factory painted 3-piece hardtop. It matches the exterior color on this. You're going to notice on the back too, we did opt for the upgraded rear bumper, which is nice to have. It's steel just like the front one. Fifth tire, rim and tire. It matches the other 4 on the ground. Same rim, same tire, same everything. Factory backup camera located right here in the center. Black Flowmaster exhaust tip, really nice touch there. And all in all, extremely nice vehicle. This vehicle has the 3.6 liter Pentastar motor in it, so it does have the V6 in it. Plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque to make sure you can turn them tires while off-road. And how could you not look at that front, that hood right there? It's extremely aggressive, very, very nice hood. And the lift on this is a 3.5-inch lift, so it definitely gets it up off the ground. And with them 35-inch tires, it definitely fills that hole very well and looks very, very mean. On the driver's door, we do have power locks and power mirrors. Automatic LED overhead headlighting like we talked about outside. Leather seating throughout with red trim. With the nice Rubicon stitching right in the back of the back right there. Moving on to the inside of the vehicle. On the left-hand side of the steering, we have these 4 buttons right here, which are going to operate your instruments cluster, which is located right here. In between your RPM gauge is over here, and then your miles per hour over on this right-hand side. Right now, as you can see, that instrument cluster is set on your some of your vehicle settings. So for example, right now we're looking at our tire pressure monitoring system, so we can see what each tire pressure has as far as PSI in there. You can change that to a bunch of different things, all your off-road capabilities, your fuel economy, your trip information. It'll also even show you how fast you're going as far as your miles per hour goes. So there's a bunch of stuff that's built in there that's really nice to have at your fingertips if needed. Also on the left-hand side, we do have the capability of doing hands-free. So you can Bluetooth your phone directly into this vehicle, and you can simply answer your phone calls by hitting the green button and end them by hitting the red, and you can have the conversations directly through your speaker system. No more need of reaching for your phone while driving down the road. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we do have all the cruise control settings, and then on the back-hand side of the right-hand side, we do have capability of turning up your volume on your radio, and then on the left-hand side, we do have the capability of changing your channels. Really nice large touchscreen radio. It does have AM, FM, Sirius XM radio with this particular vehicle, and it does have a free subscription. when purchasing it brand new. Media capabilities, so you can download media directly into this vehicle. It has climate control settings. This is a dual climate control setting right here. And as you can see, they're both set on high right now, but you could change it and turn the passenger on 78, leave the driver on high if you'd like, and it's going to blow out at 2 different temperatures, considering there's 2 zones when it comes to this heat and AC system. Or if you'd like, you can sync them together, and once you hit the sync button, it automatically takes the passenger side and puts it to whatever the driver's side temperature is set at. There's also an auto feature, and by hitting auto, which is up here, it brings the it tells the vehicle that, you know, we're going to keep the cab at a desired temperature. Whatever you have the desired temperature at, it's going to keep it at that desired temperature throughout your drive time. So whether the vehicle has to increase the speed or the temperature or vice versa, it can definitely do so automatically. Extremely nice feature to have. There's apps that are built into here. As far as the control settings go, you do have your heated seats up front with a high, medium, and low setting for the front passenger and driver, along with a heated steering wheel. And like I said outside, guys, it does have a factory backup camera located in that rear spare tire. And like I just told you a little bit ago, you can pair your phone so you can have hands-free capability. Underneath the radio, you do have the volume control button located right here. And then on the opposite side, you have the capability of changing your radio station over here, turning the channel. And then in the center right here, we do have the second capability option, I should say, when you working your climate control. So you can do it in the radio if you'd like, or you can change your temperatures right here, or your speed right here. And then you can also do your heated seat and your heated steering wheel by a push of the button also. So there's a couple features that you can operate in 2 separate spots, which is nice to have. Car phone charger right here to a 12-volt DC charger. Your 4 windows right here, your power windows located right here, and you have media hookups right here, your auxiliary and your USB. And then you also have 4 auxiliary ports right here. One of them is being used for that really large 30-inch light bar that's on the front of your front bumper, but you do have 3 available auxiliary ports, whether you're adding accessories. It's a really nice thing to have. It's simply plug and play on the back side, so it makes it very easy for the customer to add items if they'd like to. Sway bar buttons and all kinds of other features that are built in here. Cup holders located in the center. This is an automatic transmission, if you did not see that. Leather armrest located right here between the driver and passenger with 2 separate storage bins. There's an upper small one, and then there's a large one underneath that with a USB plug in there. We did opt to put the upgraded Jeep rubber floor mats throughout this Jeep, which is a really nice feature, especially if you live like we are in Ohio or you're in a muddy area. Simply just pull them out, spray them off, and stick them back in. They're clean, which is a nice feature to have. This vehicle also has universal garage door openers, which is located right here. You can put up to 3 different garage door openers into this setting right here. You no longer have to carry your garage door openers around with you. And like I said earlier, guys, this is a 3-piece hardtop, painted hardtop to match the exterior color, actually. But so what that 3-piece hardtop is this section right here, right above the driver's seat, is one section, and then the one above the passenger seat is the second section, and then the third section would be everything. This point, right at the driver and passenger seat back, would be your third section. So what's nice about that is you can take out these 2 front sections. They weigh about 20 pounds a piece, so one person can take them out. You just flip a couple clips, as you can see there, and you just pop it out, and you definitely have the open air coming in. Very nice feature to have, very easy to do, and these things also store securely right in the back, which we'll go over in a second. As far as the back seat go, obviously it does have the leather trim seats just like the front, the rubber slush mat that runs all the way across the back, and as you can see, it does have the Jeep logo built into that rubber slush mat. Rear windows can be operated right here, and then you do have your USB and your 12-volt AC charger located right there. There's also a center armrest with cup holder located right there. And this, I didn't mention it, this rear, the third piece, which would be the back here, this can come off. It's just going to take more than one person sometimes to get it off because they are a little heavier. Into the back of this vehicle, inside this case right here, this is the case to put your front two pieces for your hardtop in so they do not get scratched, and it lays flat in this back section right here, which is a really nice feature to have. And this rear window is it does have defrost, which I did not mention if you're in an area of the country where you need that defrost frequently, like maybe in Ohio, like where we're at, very nice feature to have. One thing to keep in mind, guys, is we ship nationwide. So it doesn't matter where you're at in the country, we can put this vehicle in your driveway. It's easy, we do it all the time. We are very, very professionals when it comes to shipping out of state. It's a very large part of our business. So if you'd like more information on that, please give us a call at 937-778-0830, or you can inquire through our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. If you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be sure to see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as they hit the lot. And guys, most importantly, don't forget, we are one of the largest Rocky Ridge dealers in the country. We stock over 30 of these vehicles at all times, whether it's trucks or Jeeps. So we definitely have the guaranteed best price on any Rocky Ridge vehicle nationwide. So for a guaranteed best price and the best customer service, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram for your next 4x4.